Hey guys, Amit here from Business Media, and in this video we're going to unbox the Sony Xperia Sola, the latest smartphone from the Xperia series from Sony. So let us just check out this packaging and check out what all comes in this package. Overall, the phone comes with 720p videos, 1.1 GHz dual processor, 3.7 inch screen and NFC support. So that's the basics of this phone. As you can check out, this is how the phone looks. So let's just check out this slim package and see what all comes in it. So here we have the Xperia Sola phone. Apart from that, what else comes in the package is this. These are two NFC tags which come in the package. A startup guide, SAR information, statement, declaration of conformity. So the basic stuff. And you have the regular cables. That's the micro USB cable. On the bottom you have the charger and the headphone, along with the SIM card holder. So that's it. This is all which comes in the Sony Xperia Sola package. In the next video we will be doing a detailed review of this phone and let you know how it performs and if we would be suggesting you to buy this or not when compared to the other similar price smartphones like the HTC One V or the Samsung Galaxy Ace Duos or Ace Plus. So that's a quick unboxing of the Sony Xperia Sola smartphone.